copy a link, paste it into this box here, and collect your earnings. As easy as that. In this technique today I will demonstrate you how you can make thousands of dollars passively with no skills compelled, from your laptop, desktop computer, and even your phone. Stay tuned to find out how. Now just before I demonstrate you everything, if you love this type of content and you'd like to see additional, then boost my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any forthcoming videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications and you'll get notified whenever I upload a fresh video. With all of that announced, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can demonstrate you everything. Okay, so let's get on with this strategy, guys. Your very important step will be to come over to youtube.com, and no, we will not be creating any videos at all. Let's make that clear right away. In fact, you don't even require a YouTube account for this whatsoever. Anyhow, what you will expect to do on YouTube is search for a tutorial type video in a specific niche, and it can be any niche you want to, whether it's weight loss, gaming, or whatever. What matters is that the video you are searching for is a tutorial video, as I said prior, meaning that people can really get value out of it, and you will see soon enough why that is so important. With that being announced, I went with the weight loss niche in my case to use as an example, since that's both a very prominent topic, but also there are many videos on YouTube about losing weight as well. And what you will want to do from here, guys, once you search for whatever you want, is find some good video, preferably a famous one, since that means that a lot of people are getting value from it, and you'd wanna open it up. What you will now require to do is leave this video open like so. We will come back to it later, and you will now wanna proceed to the next platform we will be using today to make money online. That platform is this one right here called Shortfly.com. What this is, you can see right over here, shorten URLs and earn money. The way this site functions is exceptionally similar to Bitly, for example, which I know many of you have heard about and possibly use. But the difference with this site is that you can actually make money with it. And here's how. When you shorten a link with this site, and someone clicks on that link, they will not be instantly taken to the destination page, as is naturally the case. What will happen instead is they will see a bunch of ads, and only then proceed to the destination page, and the ad revenue is split between the person who shortened the link and this website. For those of you who are having doubts with this site, you want to check out the payment evidence by clicking on payment proofs right here, and as you can see, there are people getting paid every individual day through this website, and through various payment options including but not limited to PayPal, Paytm and others. Another great feature of this site that I think many of you will appreciate is that it is available for both iOS and Android. In other words, you can do this and get paid from your laptop, computer, but also your phone as well, as which is a tremendous feature to say the least. Lastly, the reason we are using this site in specific is because, as you can see on this page here, you can earn up to $21 per 1,000 clicks on your link, which is much higher than what other similar websites offer. Now, as some of you've figured it out by now, the link we will be shortening with this platform is the link to the YouTube video that you guys found prior. But before you can shorten a link with this site, you will require to create an account. As such, you wanna click on the register button right here. On the successive page, just enter in your username, email, and password, then retype that same password. Click on I'm not a robot. Tick this box here and click on register so that you can create your brand new account. When you log in, this is how everything will look like. You will be able to track your total earnings here, your referral earnings next to that, as well as your average CPM, and you will also be able to see a total number of views to the left of that. Once you make some money with this site, to withdraw it, you will require to click on the withdraw button right over here. And by the way, they have a minimum threshold of just $5, meaning that you won't have to wait around before you get paid. With all of that said and done, once you guys log in yourselves, you will require to copy the link of the YouTube video you opened up. Then come over to this site, click on new shorten link, paste it in this box here, and ultimately click on shorten, and this site will now generate that shortened URL for you, which you can now share actually wherever you want to in order to make some nice money online. And I really want you guys to stick around because I have a bonus traffic source to demonstrate you near the end of the video, with which you will be able to make a lot more money through this technique. The very first method with which you can get traffic, dudes, is through the use of numerous forums. As such, what you will require to do is type in the niche your video is in my case weight loss, and just add forums next to that and hit enter. This will now show you a bunch of these forums that have members that are actually the perfect people with which I can share my shortened link. What you guys will do from here is open up and register to as many of these forums as you can, and you can use this site here called SimilarWeb.com to find out how much traffic they get, because obviously the more popular a forum is, the more money you will be able to make. This one here I found called Fitness.com is an excellent example of a good forum to share my link. It gets over 130,000 visits per month, meaning that I have over 100,000 potential customers on this site on a monthly basis. And what I would do in my case is register to this forum, and then leave a post implying something like this video helped me lose weight. Or I can say something along the lines of this is the best way to lose weight and so on, and I will then leave my shortened link and repeat this same process for all of these websites here, and once I do that for like 15 or so websites, my work would be done. There would be people clicking on my link non-stop and making me money in the procedure. And furthermore, since I have shared with them this awesome video on losing weight, I will also be helping them as well. So actually everybody wins. However, for those of you who are willing to invest just a tiny bit of money to earn a ton in return, then I highly suggest you check out this tool right here, the link of which I left in the description down below. By using this you can get thousands upon thousands of clicks on your link without lifting a finger. You won't have to bother searching for any forums and then signing up to them and leaving posts. You can just paste your link into this software and leave it be whilst making money in the process. Or what you can also do is use this alongside the first technique of getting traffic to maximize your results as well. With that announced though, as I mentioned prior, this is a paid software, which is a bit of a flaw of course, but they make up for that with the fact that they offer a 180-day money-back guarantee, meaning that you cannot lose anything if you give this a try. Meanwhile, you can make a lot of money as well. Lastly, the promising feature about this software arguably is the fact that it will get you traffic to any affiliate link out there. So not just the shortened link from that site I demonstrated you a moment ago, but any link, whether it's from a Vault, Digest or 24, or whatever, meaning that you can make quite a bit of money using this. Once again, dudes, this is the very first link down below. And with that announced, if you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. Catch sight of you in successive video.